Most people think making money with AI means building apps or knowing how to code. They are wrong. In 2026, there are 5 AI tools, most of them free, that regular people are quietly using to earn an extra $1,000 a month. I am not talking about get-rich-quick schemes. I am talking about real, repeatable income streams built on skills the market is actively paying for right now. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which tools to use, what services to offer, and the fastest path to your first $1,000. And let us get into it. Welcome back. This channel is about one thing: using AI to make smarter money decisions and build real income in 2026. Quick disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Results will vary. The 5 tools we are covering today were selected based on 3 criteria. First, accessible to beginners, no technical background required. Second, real proven demand for the services you can offer. And third, each one can realistically generate $1,000 per month or more. Let us start with tool number 1. The first tool is Claude AI, made by Anthropic. If you have not tried it yet, you are leaving serious money on the table. Businesses of every size desperately need written content, blog posts, email newsletters, product descriptions, social media captions, ad copy. And most business owners either hate writing, do not have time for it, or cannot afford a full-time copywriter. That is where you come in. With Claude, you can produce a 1,500-word blog post in under 10 minutes, a full email sequence in 20 minutes, an entire month of social media content in an afternoon. A freelance copywriter charges $50 to $200 for that exact deliverable. With Claude, you deliver it in minutes. Charge $300 to $800 per client per month. Get 5 clients and you have hit $4,000 a month. You are not selling AI writing. You are selling a result. The AI is your tool. Your judgment is the product. Tool number 2 is ElevenLabs. ElevenLabs generates hyper-realistic AI voiceovers in seconds. You type text, choose a voice, and out comes broadcast quality audio. The demand for audio content has exploded. Podcasts, YouTube videos, corporate training videos, e-learning courses, audiobooks. Professional voice actors charge $200 to $500 per finished hour. With ElevenLabs, you produce that same quality in a fraction of the time. Offer voiceover services to YouTubers, podcast producers, and marketing agencies. Or use ElevenLabs to run your own faceless YouTube channel, just like this one, and earn from ad revenue and sponsorships. Number 3 is Canva, but not the Canva you knew 2 years ago. In 2026, Canva's AI suite is on another level entirely. Magic Design, DreamLab image generation, AI-powered presentation builder, one-click background removal, AI video editing, agency quality design work without any formal design training. Every business needs a logo, a pitch deck, social media templates, a YouTube thumbnail. The list never ends. Freelance graphic designers charge $25 to $75 per thumbnail. Top YouTube channels need 4 to 8 new thumbnails every week. That is one client recurring work every single week. Offer design packages on Fiverr and Contra. 5 clients at $300 each is $1,500 a month. Tool number 4 is Make.com. This is the one that separates beginners from people making serious money with AI. Make.com is a no-code automation platform. It connects your apps, your data, and your workflows and makes them run automatically. A local business gets a new inquiry, Make.com sends a welcome email, adds the contact to their CRM, and notifies the owner on Slack. All of that in 3 seconds. 0 human input. You are connecting puzzle pieces. We're not writing code. Offer automation setups to small businesses. Charge $500 to $2,000 per setup, plus a monthly retainer. Build 5 systems and your income runs itself. The 5th tool is one most people overlook, and that is exactly why it is an opportunity. Perplexity AI searches the live internet and cites its sources in real time. You ask a complex question, and get a structured, sourced answer in seconds. Companies pay research firms $500 to $5,000 for market analysis, competitor breakdowns, and industry reports. With Perplexity, you produce a 2,000-word market analysis in 30 minutes. Offer research as a service to startups, investors, and marketing teams. Price reports at $150 to $500 each. Before we get to the formula, let us talk about the 3 mistakes that stop most people from ever earning their first dollar with AI. Mistake number 1, trying to learn everything before starting. Most people spend weeks watching tutorials, downloading tools, and building spreadsheets, and never actually send a single pitch to a single client. The tools are simple, the market is ready. The only thing missing is you taking action. Mistake number 2, charging too little. New AI freelancers often price their services at $10 or $20 because they feel like a beginner. But your client does not care how long it took you. They care about the result. A business owner who gets a professional email newsletter every week is happy to pay $300 a month for it. Charge what the result is worth, not what the effort feels like. Mistake number 3, working with the wrong clients. Not every business is a good fit. The best clients for AI services are small and medium businesses that are growing, have a marketing budget, and understand the value of content and automation. Stay away from clients who haggle on price before the work has even started. Those clients will cost you time, energy, and confidence. One paying client at the right price is worth 10 bad ones at the wrong price. Avoid these 3 mistakes, and your path to $1,000 a month becomes far shorter than you think. So let us talk about the actual path to $1,000 a month. Here is the simplest formula. Pick one service, find 3 clients, charge $350 each. That is your $1,000. You do not need 10 clients. You do not need a website on day 1. You do not need to master all 5 tools at once. Start with the tool that excites you most. Learn it for 2 weeks. Build 2 or 3 samples. Then go find your first paying client. The biggest mistake people make is spending 4 weeks learning tools and 0 weeks pitching. The market will teach you faster than any tutorial. As your skills compound, so does your income. Your tools stay the same. Your value grows. Those are the 5 AI tools real people are using right now to build $1,000 a month income streams in 2026. To recap: 1, Claude AI for writing and content creation. 2, ElevenLabs for voiceover and audio production. 3, Canva AI for design and visual content. 4, Make.com for business automation. 5, Perplexity AI for research and consulting. Links to all 5 tools are in the description below. If this video helped you, hit subscribe and drop a comment. Which of these